What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are having an awesome, wonderful day. Today I was like, you know what, let me come in and just have a little tour in Walmart. And actually what I'm seeing is seeing a lot of stock. So really, if you're doing retail online arbitrage or doing anything for flipping, I think you should be very careful what you choose and choose it for a good price. And let me show you a little bit what's around, and let's go. Look at that. All fold here to the rim. Look at this, that's the hallway. Look, oh, this is the hallway. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. They're full of stuff everywhere. Everywhere. Look here, all of them. Look at here in the back how much they have. Come. Look at that. Full. They have a lot of stock. So I really think if you guys are sourcing, you need to be very careful. Because look, they have stock over the limit. Look at that. Look. Come on. And then you see here, actually you see all the stuff here. Look, all overstock, stock everywhere. Like, I'm gonna show some pictures. I'll throw some pictures up or somewhere for you guys to see. But I'm telling you, they're full of stock everywhere. So which means when you want to guys source stuff, you need to have them for really good prices. Look at that. The toys actually not much. I mean, it's still they're stocked up, but you see they're reorganizing things. Like here, if you look there, see they organize all empty, they're organizing the stuff from here to put them there. But other than this, they're really full. Look, let me show you the other stuff that were so hot last year. All these specials I've picked up, but they're not good deals. So I'm really being very careful with what I choose. But look at here. Look at the barbecue stuff. The stuff that were doing very well last year, not doing good at all. Look, the end of summer for us in Canada. So basically, we're in August. What now? 10th, 11th, 12th, whatever it is. And look how much stuff they have. Look, they're full. Are they full?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're full of everything. They're full. We were sourcing today.
Yeah.
Did we pick up some good stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
We pick up some things for him too.
Oh yeah? Okay. Look at that. Look how full. And they're doing a lot of discounts as well. Like if you see, everything is discounted. 24. Like you see here, 24 from $34.99. Here, $59 to $98. And if you guys know the prices, like it's even lower than what it is. Like usually if I have $24.98, that means it's the real price. $14.00 means the discounted price. Now this one is different. It was $98.00. That means it was already discounted from a regular price, and then from this discount to another discount. So there's a lot of things. Look, all the cushions there for the cushions for the patio sets and everything. Look, they're flooded, and everywhere is liquidation. And they're making not bad liquidation, $6.98 to $4.99. I know they're even gonna go cheaper, but they're full, guys. They're full. They have some Christmas here, it'll be good. Hope you guys are really preparing for Christmas. I'm preparing for Christmas. Look at this. All the hose garden, everything that's for home is actually getting hit. So the take for me is when I'm sourcing right now, I'm sourcing things are really, sorry, the sound. What I'm sourcing really like 2 or 3 units of each item, unless if it's Lego, if it's retired, maybe you can go a little bit deeper, especially because Q4 is coming. Rather than this, I'm doing only 2 units, 3 units of each, unless it's really 70, 80, 90% off, then I'll buy a little bit more. Rather than this, no, has to be a good ranking. I'm going very wide, I'm not going very deep, and like this I can secure myself. And now when I see something on a special for first time, because if you guys know how they do the specials, let's say it's $30, then they go, let's say $24, and from $24 after 1 week they go to $17, and then from $17 they go to $9. So whatever the lowest thing, that's what I'm trying to aim to buy. So every time, because I'm doing a weekly runs to the stores, I see the prices and I see how much they have of that specific item. So if they have it, I just buy 2, and next time I go for their special, I can buy more. The next time I can buy more until I get the good average cost, which is my dollar cost average or the cost average for all of them together would be good for me. It's profitable, but I don't want to buy. Go ahead. Like before I used to buy right away. See a special, I go buy it, makes sense. But what happens, resellers, they come in and they buy it at a lower price the week after, and they start becoming lower prices, become very competing. So I just came here Saturday now, in the 13. I was like, you know what? Let me come here. I'm seeing here how much stock they have. I was like, let me do a quick video for you guys to see what's going on and to be careful. And if you're sourcing for a Q4, source intelligently. And because, you know, I think people are getting hurt with the money in their pocket. And that's it. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.